Are you ready for a product smackdown? Then let's do it. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I teach hundreds of thousands of people on how to do nail art, hair, and anything in between that's lifestyle for making you a better person inside and out. Starting with today's video, which is going to be a product showdown between my Old Glory, which is my favorite shampoo and conditioner, Faruqi Ziki. I don't actually know how to say this product's name, but it's literally has been my go-to for the last year. And we came across this brand called Totally, and they sent me this product via the mail. And what we loved about this particular shampoo and conditioner is Lee is a celebrity hairstylist, and he's worked on celebrities like Paris Hilton and different bloggers around the country, and has developed this shampoo and conditioner that is meant to be sulfate free and also help get rid of all that mousse and buildup that I'm putting in my hair to combat different elements with summer. And so we wanted to go ahead and try a battle of the shampoo and conditioners by splitting my hair down the middle and washing and conditioning one side with this brand new shampoo and conditioner, and then the other side we're going to use my old shampoo and conditioner and see which one that I think feels the best, smells the best, and performs the best. So if you're ready to watch us battle it out, then just keep watching.
Is it bubbling? Do you see bubbles?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I need more shampoo, I think. Okay. Is there a lot of bubbles now?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it is.
That's good.
Wet it, apply it, rinse it, love it. I should be singing Kiki. That's like the song of the century right now. Ooh, it feels so silky.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding?
Alright, ready.
Next side. You're splashing me, so don't let throw your hair.
Shampoo. Excuse you. Oh. Where are the bubbles? It's getting cold, guys. I'm real cold.
You ready? Yep.
We're here.
This has like a different smell to it. Doesn't have a smell to it.
Yeah, it does. Smell it.
Okay, just get this done. Lance is gonna be like, what are you two doing? What, making a porno or something? All right, so we are back. We have showered, changed, and we've done our hair, styled our hair up. So we are going to start with round one, which is smell. I would rate this. I don't know, I don't really smell it. It doesn't really, it just smells like kind of clean. Not really a scent to it. On this side, oh my gosh, yeah. That totally smells amazing. All right, round 2. We are going to go for efficiency of how well my fingers run through my hair. Because I didn't put any product in it. Let's see. So it's pretty smooth on both sides. But I would say probably the left side. This side here feels a little bit smoother. Should we go outside and try a humidity test? Yeah, we're going outside. Let's go. Oh my God. So round number 3, we went outside and tested the humidity on my hair and wanted to see which side actually held up better. I definitely think, in my opinion, the left side looks a lot smoother than the right side. And I would say that this knockout round was actually covered and completely a blowout by Totally. So I'm gonna start using Totally moving forward. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit subscribe and we will see you in the next video. Bye.